going to share one of the best kept, deep, dark secrets of financial advisors and financial influencers. Many of them are not necessarily savvy investors or business people at all. They are simply adept at making money off their clients or even transferring client wealth to themselves. So while it is important for you to consult a financial advisor before making any financial and investment decisions, it is equally important that you do your own research and exercise caution when choosing the right financial advisor for you. In his 2016 annual letter to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders, Warren Buffett famously said that when trillions of dollars are managed by Wall Streeters charging high fees, it is usually by the managers who reap outsized profits for themselves and not for their clients. In short, what he was saying is that investors should never assume a wealthy financial advisor is an investment genius or a sage. Edward Seidel, the author of a book called A Practical Guide to Investment Scamming, said that the standard fee structure for money managers is more than handsome. He said that it's usually between 1 and 2% annual assessment fee, regardless of the outcome. Over and above that, many managers get a percentage of the gains on top of that 1 or 2%. So, the investment could go to zero, but these investments, they make money. If you lose money, they still get paid. They don't lose in any situation, so they don't have to be this investment genius. They still get paid regardless of where their financial scope is going. Seidel said that checking financial advisors' social media accounts is not enough. Many of these advisors just look rich, but don't actually have the funds to back it up. What they do have is some Photoshop knowledge, a good phone camera, maybe a supermodel level posing skills. Imagine this scenario. A financial influencer heads over to the nearest Ferrari, Bentley, or Lamborghini dealership and takes a selfie sitting next to a flashy car. Next, they put that on Facebook, directly or indirectly implying it's their flashy car. Later on down the line, they go to an executive airport as they pose as close as possible to the most impressive yet nondescript personal jet they can find. And they put that on their social media or their branding website. Some even up the game. Believe it or not, there are a lot of people who can Photoshop you having drinks with Elon Musk or Mark Cuban. I know all this stuff sounds ridiculous, but it's true. The bottom line is, don't trust social media exclusively. We still advocate consulting a financial advisor before investing in gold or any asset. However, you still have to be careful about who that person is that consults. One of the reasons Noble Gold Investments has made the decision to make education an important part of the business is to help our clients get the right information at the right time. We do sell gold, precious metals, but we also provide as much verifiable, relevant, and important information on investing in general, the economy, and how the financial institutions and process work. So if you need gold, yes, we're here. We can help you with that. But if you just want information, Noble Gold Investments is here for you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, our newsletter. Also check out our Twitter, and all the links are in the description box.